Hi! In front of me is TCL 30 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by choosing the same icon again. If you want to, you can always go into settings, scroll down and look for location section. When you find it, click on it and tap on this switcher next to it to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!